Hey there. So I'm going to simulate a customer sending a text message to my cool number. There you go. Wait a second. Boom. I received the reply right away. And this was generated by AI. I'm going to show you how you can build this in 15 minutes or less using Zapier. So if you are a Kuo user, you know in Kuo exists Sona. Sona is their agent that allows you to have someone answer your Kuo number 24/7. When building workflows in Sona, the only trigger option today is triggering off of incoming calls. I'm pretty sure Kuo will develop SMS capabilities in the future, so triggering after incoming SMS. But for now, this is how you can build your AI SMS agent. To build that, I'm going to use Zapier. Zapier is a platform that allows you to build automated workflows. And the logic is pretty much the same as with Sona. You have a trigger and then you have different actions. As you see here, the workflow is pretty simple. It's consisting only of 3 steps. The first one is a trigger, incoming message received. Then we're sending this to Zapier Chatbots. I'm going to show you how to configure chatbots. And the last action is to send a message back. As a first step, go to zapier.com, create your account. It's free to create an account. There is a generous trial. Then go to chatbots and hit to create to start creating your automated chatbot. I'm going to show you how I built mine. Okay, here it is. So these are chatbots that you can embed on your website, but we can reuse them to answer anything from other channels. So the first thing we are going to edit are the instructions. And the only thing, so this prompt came when you create a chatbot, there is the template you can use. The only thing I edited is I put my company name here and I specified that this is an SMS channel. The rest is pretty much the same. The only thing I configured then is this knowledge base. So in the knowledge base is where we are going to train the agent on our content. And you can add many sources. So you have web pages, you can add PDFs, you can add Google Docs and Notion pages as well. And you can use Zapier Tables as well. So the interesting thing about all these, so beyond the file, but I'm going to focus on table and web pages first. And I assume that it is going to work with Notion as well, is the refreshing. So Zapier is going to monitor your website on a scheduled basis. So you can set up to monitor your website daily, weekly, and monthly. So if you update your website, it's going to update automatically your SMS agent. And for example, if you're updating pricing, that would be very interesting. So you don't have to come back in to update that. Or if you're using Zapier Tables, you can have other automations update the table. And by that, that means that your Zapier chatbot gets updated in knowledge in real time. And that would be interesting to think about when building chatbots that answer specific questions like, where's my order? So very specific to that customer or client that you may have. Going back to the knowledge base, I added, a couple of web pages here. Most of them are related to OpenPhone or Kuo. And so the rest you don't need to touch by now. So you can leave the theme. The theme is not important. Integrations, AI model settings as well. That's nothing you need to set up right now. The knowledge base is the most important, and in the instructions. So going back to the Zaps, once you set up the knowledge base, go to, I think it was integrations. Yes, and you can click on build from scratch. So build from scratch, add a new integration. This will pop up a window to create a Zap, which is this screen. So I'm going to, this is pre-populated, then this action generate replay to message. We're going with the trigger, go with Kuo. Trigger event, incoming message received. And here you connect your Kuo account. You will need to generate your API key. That's pretty fast to do. Hit continue, and then you can select the phone numbers you want to trigger this off of. So you could be monitoring multiple phone number here. Hit continue, and then test trigger. What Zapier is doing here is going to pull either a true record, an existing SMS, or give you sample data. So in this case, this is a sample data. So this, you can see the body of the messages. This is a test message, but then it tells you, the from number, the to number, and this is all, mock data. But this gives you an idea of the data structure and the kind of information you can get from this trigger. Hit continue with select the record. The next step is an action to generate a reply to a message with the Zapier Chatbots. Continue, select your chatbot, and then configure it. So for the conversation key, we want the chatbot to remember the conversation and to do it in a way that if different clients ask different questions, those conversations don't get messed up. We don't want the AI to confuse conversations and mix them up. So we are going to use the from number, because this is going to be unique for each of your customers or clients. And then here, we can remove, actually, we can remove all of this and leave just the text message. So we will need to delete this and click on the body. You can do that by hitting the dash, the slash on your keyboard, or clicking this plus button on the side. This will show up all the information that is coming from the trigger. And we're going to put here the body. Hit continue, and we can test this step. There you go. This is the response. Hit continue. And then the next thing is we want to send this message out. So we're going to select Kuo as the next action. Action event, send a message. Continue. The from number is going to be, in my case, I only selected one phone number, but we can select the number that received this message. If you need help, by the way, if you need help setting this up, we are both Zapier and Kuo partners, and we can help you set this up. The to number, in this case, we are going to use the from number of the previous message, and the message here is going to be the one generated by the chatbot. Let's hit continue and test step. There you go. This message was sent out to this number. So I don't know who owns this number. I'm sorry for him. if you're watching this, but yeah, this is ready. This is pretty much what you need to do. The next step is to hit publish, and let's test this out. So I'm going to go back to make sure the other one is not working. Yeah, so we have this Zap on. Let's try this again. And by the way, let's put here cool side by side. There you go. Cool. And you can see how fast this happens. So it's almost in real time. I need to update our website regarding the new cool branding, but basically we can ask what kind of workflows, what can I automate with Zapier and OpenPhone? And this is going to use our website to send a reply back. Let's see how much it takes to reply back. Boom, there you go. So yeah, and it's giving links back as well. Yeah, pretty accurate. So yeah, this is how you can build your Sona SMS AI agent using Zapier. If you need help setting this up, or you want to explore any other automations idea, feel free to look at the link in the description below to book a call with us. Cheers.